guys, today I'm going to be doing my first ever YouTube video, and today we have a special guest with us.
Wolfie.
Her name is Wolfie, yes, and today we are going to be doing build battles.
Yeah, build battles.
So hope you guys enjoy. Build battles, and yeah.
I used to do the parkour.
Yeah. Oh, theme, unicorn. Okay, unicorn.
That's hard.
Okay. Oh yeah, we are in 1.4, like, we don't have concrete, I forgot. So yeah. So yeah.
I don't know even doing
1, 2, should I have it like that? Yeah. We'll worry about the floor later. Right now, let's just try to do, is that even? No. What am I doing? Oof, I'm doing a body.
Somebody left the game. They're like, yeah, no.
Yes.
Yeah, it's clean.
And so me and Wolfie, we've been trying to get inside the same build battle game, but yeah.
Yeah, we've been trying to be able to team,
But
we can't figure it out. Yeah, my whatever this is doesn't even look like what it's supposed to be.
that sucks. And we're gonna actually vote honestly. So yeah, and when you in this for build battle, it's not like we play on Minecraft Pocket Edition. So yeah. And anyways, so when we show our votes, it doesn't actually show them. So say if I voted Super Poop for Wolfie, it wouldn't it doesn't show them holding out. It just shows. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a very bad explainer. Oh my god, that actually kind of looks ugly. Shoot.
Mine looks absolutely horrible. Alright, now time for the main.
And just by the way, if you guys hear any background sounds, it's probably just because we have family.
Yeah. So if you've never had a family before, you wouldn't get it.
That's kind of rude.
Oof. I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't either. Oh, we only have 3 minutes. I'm still working on the main.
Oh my god.
It's probably not as horrible as mine.
That looks funny.
Mine looks horrible. And guys, please no hate on our first video. It's our first video. My first video because, yeah. Two minutes. I still gotta do the tail. mine's so bad. We aren't good builders. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, sorry if we let you down. There. Somebody already finished. Darn it, I need to do my floor.
I think, I'm just gonna do grass.
I'm gonna do yellow because yellow seems happy.
Oh, wait. Do we need to add... Do we need to add whatever it's... Oh, crap. This is supposed to be yellow. Do we need to add whatever it's called? What the frick? A horn. Do we need to add a horn?
I added a horn.
Okay. What color did you do your horn? Yellow?
I did mine like rainbow. Like my main and my horn is red, yellow, and blue.
Where's my candle lighter?
Oh crap, I didn't finish. This is my build.
This is adorable.
I forgot the horn. Someone has a unicorn
This is
skin.
much better than mine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. See mine. This is mine.
This one's yours?
Yes.
This is good.
It looks like the first one
What does this say? Just for laughs. This is good.
Oh, and look how they did the horn.
Yeah.
And the main, this is good.
This is okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's not the best because they didn't even put in the, what's it called?
Tail. What is this? This looks like a bird. It's okay.
I mean, it's still good, but it has a birthday cake on top.
Yay. Wait, what is this? It looks like it's holding a banana.
It looks like a duck.
Oh, they didn't finish. I'm gonna do a poop because they kind of did a little. You know what? We're gonna do super poop. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
but that's kind of your fault for doing it too big. What the frick? I thought that was a giraffe at first. It looks like it's pooping out rainbows.
This is so good.
This is super
So
good.
I'm gonna give it a super poop.
What?
I'm gonna give it a super poop because it's gonna win.
That's not fair.
Super good.
Game over. Which one won? I got second.
Yay! Good job.
No, I got first. Just kidding. What did you get?
No.
That's because yours is bad. I'm just kidding.
Well, no, it's because mine looks like a dolphin.
Yeah, I think this video's long enough though.
Yeah, we only need to do one round.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like
And subscribe.
and turn post notifications on. Have a wonderful day. Bye!